Why to visit our experience center instead of getting a quotation through online? These are the reasons. If you have the layout plan, design planning, measurement, etc., yes, we can tell you exactly how much it cost for the project. But it can only be a reference in order to get a quotation. In order to get a quotation, here is what all we need. First, plan the layout based on your own unique style and preference. Second, different kinds of materials and combinations that you would like to use in your interiors based on your own styling. Third, what type of accessories that you need, whether it is a big one, small one, or you doesn't need any one, and the list goes on. So in this 2 hours of free consultation, you will get a clear picture on how your home will look after doing the interiors based on your budget. This is why we highly recommend you to visit our experience center instead of getting an online quote. Do visit our experience center for doing your dream home.